this is Miss Mayweather. Welcome to my science homeroom, where I'm coming from my home to yours. Today we are going to be investigating magnets. Now I don't want to insult anyone's intelligence, but let's just do a little review. So first off, we know that all magnets have a what? What type of poles? North pole and a south pole. Yes. We also know that opposite poles do what? Opposites attract. Yes. Then we should also know that like poles are going to repel one another. So I'm going to take you guys around and explore through my house. I'm going to do something that most teachers don't. I'm bringing you into my house. We're going to look at 4 non-traditional magnets. Because I was like, man, I don't have any magnets around this house. What am I going to do to show my students? All my stuff is at work. So I found some magnets around my house. Come with me. The first one, guys, let me tell you the story about this. So over here at my patio, I had a patio door, and one day we were barbecuing, I had company, and my country cousin came over, and he walked right through my patio door.
He did.
Yeah, he did. So let me show you. So after then, the patio door was never ever the same. So voila, I have magnetic screens, and so they just, you go through, and then they come back together, and this is only $20. I'm not doing a commercial, but I'm just telling you, this was the best investment I've ever done, and I love it, love it, love it, because anybody that has a patio door, you know exactly what I'm talking about, how they really never ever stay on track. All right, so that was the first one. So we know those are definitely opposite poles because they are attracting each other.
Right.
Yes, so the next one, this is like my favorite piece of furniture in the house, guys. I love waterfalls. I like the sound, the whole serenity, just bring me peace. But every time somebody come over, they're like, is that real water? How does it work? And so I give them a little science lesson. Number 1, yes, it's real water. And number 2, there's a little motor down there with magnets that spin to keep the water circulating. So that's the other magnet. So we have my magnetic screen, my lovely waterfall with the motor with magnets in it.
Right.
And then some of my students, well, most of my students should know this already. Over here on my mantle, let me see here, we have my hover helmet, just like the one at school. So let me find it. Bam, right up. It's not hovering. Let me get to hover. Voila. Now you guys have been asking me for the longest, how does that work, Miss Mayweather? Well, new term. You have electromagnets in there, okay? And it's called electromagnetism. So it's like electricity and magnets decided, hey, we're gonna work together. So one thing that you have to know is that magnets can produce electric current. If you move them real fast, it can produce electric current. And electricity can produce magnetism. So when you put those two together, voila, my hover helmet. So again, new term, electromagnetism. Now again, magnets can produce electric current. If you move them really fast, it can actually produce electric current. And electric current can actually produce magnetism. Yes, new stuff. Yes, I know. All right, the last thing I'm going to show you guys, and this may lose my license credentials, I have a Conquer refrigerator in my garage. It belongs to my daughter, and it's not energy efficient whatsoever. We really need to get rid of it because it's making my electricity bill go up, but I'm going to show you something that some of you all may have never thought of how is this related to magnets. Come go with me. Come on to the garage. Hey guys, we're out here in my garage, and here's this clunker. It's an older refrigerator, not energy efficient at all. So my daughter, she's doing a little fundraiser to get a new one because, yeah, this is not very Mayweatherish. Got to save, preserve energy. So now what's going on here is this puppy here, I hope nothing falls out, but this puppy here, look at it. Look, guys, I can't even hardly open it. It's coming apart here. And so the magnetic part, this is magnetic right here. And so it's still sticking there, but it's not on the refrigerator. So guess what? A lot of my cool air is coming out, so the refrigerator is like, let me work hard to keep it cool, using up too much electricity. That's a problem. So yeah, we're gonna pray for her for a new refrigerator because I'm not feeling this clonker at all. So guys, let's go back. First off, my first example was my patio, right? Lovely, lovely magnets. Then I had my waterfall that had the what in there? The motor with the little magnets in there spinning. And then I showed you my hover helmet, which we had a new term, electromagnetism. And so that's electricity and magnetism working together. And this is the one you don't want to do where you have a non-energy proficient refrigerator. And I know a lot of us have them in the garage or something, but they take up a lot of energy. And mine is really taking up a lot of energy because guess what? My magnets are not attached to the refrigerator anymore. So pray for me, guys, getting rid of this. Thank you so much for joining me from my home to yours. Bye now.